Are you looking to register your child in KG? Then look no further than BISK Early Years. We promote learning through play, which ensures your child has a fun educational experience day in, day out. We follow the British Early Years Foundation Stage programme, which develops your child in 7 key areas. Communication and language will immerse your child in a language-rich environment, introducing students to new vocabulary, which they will put into role play. Physical development will strengthen their gross and fine motor skills, everything from whole body movements to correct pencil grip. Personal, social and emotional development will help your child to understand their feelings and grow in confidence. Literacy activities provide pupils with a strong phonics foundation, enabling them to read and write and develop a love of literature. Mathematics will enable them to have a strong ground in numbers, a deeper understanding of numbers to 10 and beyond, and they will be able to spot patterns and connections. Understanding the world will guide your child to make sense of the physical world around them and their community. In expressive arts and design, students learn valuable skills to support their creativity and imagination, allowing them to explore different materials, media and sounds. All of these areas will turn your child into a confident, self-independent learner and will enable them to have a smooth transition into Year 1. Why not pay us a visit today? We look forward to welcoming you. Bakhair Hatun bo KG BISK.